While many of you are currently working from home, we wanted to provide you with a demonstration of stretches you can do with your family member. These are intended to help decrease lower back and hip tension, as well as stretch glutes and hamstrings. These are all passive but effective stretches you can perform with those you may share a home with. Start by having your partner laying on the floor on their back. Grasp the top of their feet and gently push their toes forward towards the floor while rocking the foot toward the midline. This is a way to start bringing movement to the ankles, leg, and hip. If one side does not rotate as well, it can indicate tightness in that hip. Get into a lunge position while lifting your partner's leg up and placing their foot against your hip. Rest one hand on their knee and the other on the upper thigh of their straightened leg. It is best at this point if their arms are at a T while they're laying on their back. On their exhale, lunge forward and guide their knee toward their armpit. This stretch can be intense, and I recommend holding it for 30 to 60 seconds. Then release and repeat. You can release this motion at varying angles. It helps reduce tension in their hamstrings, decrease tension in their hips and lower back, and can also ease sciatic pain. Stand up and start to bring the same leg toward their opposite side, so it crosses their midline. Step over their straightened leg and kneel down so that your knee is now positioned to the outside of their straightened leg. This will create a cross-body twist, stretching the lower back and posterior hip. You can lean forward and down to increase the stretch. You can add compressions with your hands to the outside of their glutes, lower back, and thigh. Step back and straighten the bent leg. Hold the ankle and rock the leg, releasing tension in the hip. Rebend their leg to a butterfly position and move your body to the outside of their knee. Use your hands to press straight down along the inner thigh. Straighten their leg again, stand up, and place their leg against your hip or thigh. The degree in which you are able to straighten your partner's leg will depend on the flexibility of their hamstrings and calves. Slowly step forward as you stretch their hamstring until you feel resistance. Ease back, dorsiflex their foot, and step forward again, leaning your hand or forearm onto the bottom of their foot. You can repeat this several times. Ease their leg back down to the ground. Kneel at your partner's feet and lift their feet into your lap so that the bottom of their feet is against your torso. Have them unlock their knees. Pivot forward as their knees bend toward their chest, then lean. This helps stretch the lower back. Pivot back, rock the legs, and then repeat the deep lunge for one last hip stretch on this side. Repeat this sequence with the other leg.